Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. We are learning Marigold for class 2. If you are happy and you know it, sing with actions. Remember to keep smiling. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you are happy and you know it, claps your hand. If you are happy and you know it, nod your head. If you are happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you are happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, nod, stamp. Thanks for watching guys. Like and comment and subscribe my channel to motivate me. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.